मैं तो खेतों में ले जाऊंगा।
And
He doesn't need to say and beyond that, Faridun. मैं कहाँ फंस गया है यार इन दोनों को?
You guys make me sick. मैं कह रहा हूँ रूमी छोड़ो मुझसे क्या कर रहा हूँ?
alright, so this is
मैं कह रहा हूँ how about दोस्ताना with me?
तो स्वयंवर चल रहा है तेरा।
वही feel आ रही है। मेरा बाण गया मेरा।
I will censor this.
Character.
I'll act as पहला जी।
ये क्या सेंसर किया आपने?
आप आंसर नहीं दे सकते सवाल का।
इस
हाँ,
सवाल
वही
का
तो।
आगे बढ़ते हैं। Alright, after this intense discussion, अपनी picture entertaining है, so we have a few
पिक्चर नहीं है ये हमारी पिक्चर
Few
अनुराग
fun-
कश्यप की
few-
अनुराग कश्यप से कमर्शियल पिक्चर है हमारी
few fun segments. Okay, so you know, the first one is basically मनमर्जियां love test. Okay, so basically there are a few situations and
अभिषेक वो करना पड़ता
so no, इसमें like so all three of them they'll be put into like a spot in terms of situations.
हाँ,
They
चलो,
have
मैं
to
देख रहा हूँ।
react to it. So whoever is the most honest and controversial, so
Honest and controversial.
he gets this
why
prize.
are you looking at me like that? I'm going to be the most correct.
It's a Bluetooth speaker that's worth fighting for. She has lost it recently, so she values
Imagine
it
I've
tremendously.
lost it to
Alright.
Anubhav Sinha.
Right. Okay, so it's worth fighting for, and Anurag Kashyap will be the judge. Okay.
I'll give the prize.
He'll take it home.
I'll give the
So-
prize. I just got one today. Somebody sent it.
It's his pet peeve, huh? Bluetooth speakers.
It is.
Yeah, he's
And
obsessed with
seriously, it's really nice. It's really nice. It's short.
Oh God,
And it's very handy for that matter. Okay, so मनमर्जियां love test. So let's start with that.
Can any of us answer, or you're going to ask a
See,
specific?
basically, it can be like a conversation, but there'll be specific
Okay, got it,
situations.
got it.
Since both Vicky and Robbie are in love with Rumi, let's see who deserves her more. Okay, and he'll decide that who's the most controversial of them all.
तो मतलब रूमी
Okay.
तो who is team रूमी मैं तो फिर
आप
बेस्ट
देखो ना, आप देखो ना, आप देखो ना, थोड़ा
मतलब ये
सरप्राइज
कि
वैल्यू है ना.
Does he deserve you? Does he deserve you? You deserve yourself.
myself
So even जो questions आपको आएंगे, तो you have to be honest about it, instead of being politically correct.
We have to be honest
So that-
about it as Vicky Kaushal or Vicky Sandhu.
No, as your character in the movie.
As the
Okay.
character.
100%.
okay,
Oh,
okay,
super.
okay,
As Vicky, as
mind-blowing.
Robbie, as Rumi. That's
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so he's right now he's playing the school, but just see how he just flies.
He's
at it.
gotten into Robbie character
Arre, totally.
Okay.
All right.
Oh dear Robbie
Okay, so Robbie and Vicky. So three things that make you that make you a better suitor for Rumi. So if you can start with Vicky.
या जैसे मैं प्यार करता हूँ पूरे अमृतसर में कोई नहीं कर सकता. सेकंड, मैं जैसे छते टापता हूँ ऐसा कोई नहीं कर सकता. तीसरा, बस लाल परी का नीला कुक्कड़ हूँ मैं.
Right.
उसके जितना पागल मैं ही हूँ और कोई है नहीं. ये तीन है.
All right. Robbie,
Robbie, चलो.
Robbie sir, come on.
तो स्वयंवर चल रहा है तेरा।
वही feel आ रही है.
I'm feeling very
मेरा
nice.
बाण गया मेरा.
Robbie doesn't talk too much.
Right.
और जो
can say
कुछ
in
भी
Punjabi if you want.
नहीं वो नापतोल में है.
जी.
So I don't need to give her 3 reasons. I'll just give her one reason, and that one reason is I will love you more than anything else on earth.
With this gravitas and with
I will
this
love you more than
pause
people in
and-
Amritsar love you. I don't need the chate of Amritsar only. I will do it around the world.
Wow.
And forever and ever. That's wrong.
That's.
मैं कह रहा हूँ रूमी छोड़ो मुझसे क्या कर रहा हूँ.
This is what used to happen.
All right. So this is
मैं कह रहा हूँ how about दोस्ताना with me.
No, you know, both of you have similar sort of beards as well. So it's like
I've
at
seen
times
brother
it's
was
difficult to
saying,
identify others.
I kept telling Vicky, I was like, you
If he's
both
not
should play
wearing a
like brothers in a film. They do-
No, the 3 of us actually in the film industry. Now 4 because his younger brother has also come.
Arre, he's amazing. I
Yeah,
think
but
he's
there's another one
outstanding
who's
in
actually
both.
my Jijaji, Kunal.
Sunny Kushal.
Kunal Kapoor, right? On day 1 of the shoot, I called up Kunu and I said, I found your long lost brother. It is Vicky.
I have played a younger version of Kunal.
I know, that's what he told me.
Chicken Khurana.
That's what he told me
That was
then.
his first role.
Yeah.
They're exactly the same. The hardcore Punjabis, they love their Rajma
My mom
chawal.
says profile में same दिखता है.
Correct.
My mom says.
So we're planning a film of 4 of us.
All right. Okay.
Jurwa, 3,
now
4.
it's time for Rumi. Okay. So Rumi. So what are the 3 ways to impress Rumi? You can say in Punjabi if you want. कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
No, I mean, मेरे को नाम सबसे पहले तो कि ऑनेस्ट कौन है सबसे ज्यादा उससे, कौन उसे मतलब सच जो है वैसे उसके मुंह पे है, कोई ऐसे मतलब ज्यादा सोच समझ के प्लानिंग से कोई नहीं आ रहा, जैसा है सामने है वैसा है, तो उसको सबसे पहले वन वो है
जी।
दूसरा जैसी वो है उसको वैसे एक्सेप्ट करने को तैयार है,
वाह,
उसको बिना चेंज करे।
नॉन जजमेंटल।
हाँ,
हाँ,
दो।
ना जो है ना मजबूर।
मजबूर।
ये पहली बार किसी ने ना इसको मजबूर की इंटरप्रिटेशन दी होगी।
हाँ जी।
हाँ,
Third,
और
third.
तीसरा क्या है? तीसरा तो कुछ ऐसा है नहीं। आई थिंक जो भी उसको झेल सकता है यार, जो भी उसको झेल सकता है।
So we have a Rumi quiz. The next one, so we'll ask both of you, and she'll tell us later whether you are right or wrong. Okay, so Rumi's favorite film. Rumi's favorite film.
Rumi's favorite film.
That you think.
Jut and Juliet. 100%.
नहीं,
Okay, so here's Jut and Juliet. What about you?
Chuck the India.
Chuck the India. Okay, so we'll find out later.
Shade.
Favorite food.
मैं बोलने वाली, you should have said gold actually, but still.
What is Rumi's favorite
जब हम
food?
शूट करे थे आई नहीं थी ना।
नहीं यार, वो के brother हो।
What is Rumi's favorite food?
छोले कुलचे।
What about you? Chole kulche. Okay, one thing she absolutely hates.
Hates.
Yeah.
Non-commitment. Dishonesty.
Okay. Commitment you're saying.
Yeah.
No, non-commitment.
Non-commitment.
And dishonesty.
As Vicky Sandhu, I've gone through it.
All right. Okay. What about you?
I know how much she hates
Anybody
it.
who tries to curb her freedom.
Yeah.
Anybody who tells her to do something that she doesn't want to do. She hates
All right.
it.
What's the favorite song?
I think Rumi is a very big Shah Rukh Khan fan. Like a very DDLJ space. वो बहुत like in Punjabi they say she's a very khadku ladki. She's like very this, but in there there's a she's a Raj fan. She's a Rahul fan.
Okay, so song like anything from DDLJ or like a Shah Rukh Khan song? Acha, like that. So what about you, sir?
I think she likes death metal.
That's quite a contrast. Okay,
I can picture Rumi headbanging, busting up her room.
all right. Who's a favorite actor? You say Shah Rukh Khan.
I think it will be Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay, what about you, Abhishek?
Yeah, I'd say Shah Rukh.
Okay, so if you can please tell us that who's right, who's wrong. Favorite
शाहरुख खान वाली लाइन पे तो दोनों ही रॉन्ग है।
favorite film?
रूमी के लिए?
नहीं, Rumi के लिए.
हाँ, रूमी के लिए भाई।
Favorite film? Who's
I think that he'd be right. चक दे होगी।
okay? Favorite food?
दोनों ने एक ही बोला था।
एक ही बोला. One thing she absolutely hates. He said non-commitment.
And he said who tried to contain her. I think this.
हाँ.
Okay. Favorite song?
क्या बोला तूने?
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना.
DDLJ
हाँ,
space.
what did he say? Death metal? नहीं, death metal नहीं.
तो तुझे देखा तो ये जाना.
If I have to choose.
अच्छा, if you have to choose.
No, they can both be wrong.
They can
Yeah,
both be wrong.
they're both wrong.
Both wrong. Favorite actor is not Shah Rukh Khan.
No.
Of Rumi.
Yeah.
All right. So
So who is the favorite actor of Rumi?
वो
Let's see how good
नहीं,
your
ये
character
क्वेश्चन नहीं है पर उनका मैं आंसर नहीं करूँगा।
No, no, I want to know what was the character sketch.
Don't ask this question now.
फेवरेट एक्टर
it's a good one actually.
हमको भी जानना है.
Content मिलेगा ना.
फेवरेट एक्टर रंजीत प्राण.
बोलिए अंकल.
Goli uncle.
गोली
ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है फर्गुन. Let's skip to the
Technically-
All right.
question.
Okay.
That name is good.
So now this is a very interesting one,
हाँ जी.
and this is for her. Okay, and you have to be honest.
अच्छा ओके फर्गुन.
If Robbie and Vicky are drowning,
कोई एक को
and you
बचाना
could
है.
save only one of them, who would you save and why?
मैं अपने आप को बचाऊंगी
सो
पहले
जाएगी.
तो.
आप
ये
बेट
जाएगी.
आप बेट में
ये
बोट में already
डूबो मरो
हो.
मैं तीसरा
नहीं
ढूंढती
नहीं ये उसको बचाएगी जो नाव खे सकता है.
चप्पू चलाना किसको आता है पहले वो बताओ.
This is right.
Okay, so you. All right, so you don't have any one name.
मैं ऐसे कोई नहीं जो मुझे बचा के यहाँ से लेके जाएगा.
अच्छा.
बचाना तुझे हम मिस
अब ये
अरे
क्यों
पागल.
बेचारे-
ये बोल रही है मुझे कौन
बेचारे
बचाएगा.
डूब रहे हैं,
नाव में
तो
खुद
पीछे
बैठी
जाए.
चला के
कि भाई
आगे
कौन
कौन
बच
लेके जाएगा?
नाव में
चप्पू
खुद
चलाएगा.
बैठी हो, कहती मुझे कौन बचाएगा.
Okay, who looks sexier in a beard, Robbie or Vicky?
They both have beard in the film. I have not seen them without beard also. Both of them.
Who looks sexy?
समझी थोड़ी
देखिए,
सी घुटने में तेरे दर्द तो नहीं हो
आपने
रहा
जीता नहीं
दिमाग
अभी तक. आपने अभी तक जीता नहीं है. मतलब आपके भी ऑनेस्टी जो है.
Who looks sexier in a beard? यार नहीं मुझे नहीं पता. It's a very tough question. I have like.
I can see
actually
I can
दाढ़ी नहीं
see the
पसंद ना?
Bluetooth
हाँ मुझे
speakers.
दाढ़ी पसंद ही नहीं है यार. Actually में I don't like beard.
एक्चुअली में क्लीन शेवन पसंद है.
Yeah.
इसका बंदा जो भी है.
अरे पर रूमी को पूछा जा रहा है।
हाँ रूमी हो जाता
हाँ तो रूमी को तो
रूमी को दाढ़ी अच्छी लगती है, रूमी तो सुधारनी है।
क्यों तुम्हारी सुधारनी है उसमें क्या है?
तो she doesn't need the Bluetooth speaker. I hope that you guys have.
She just needs to open her mouth. She does the function of the speaker.
Okay, Robbie and Vicky, if you both get into a fist fight for Rumi, who's likely to win?
I think we both would never give up.
Both would never give
ये
up.
ना बहुत डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर दे रहा है।
नहीं,
Robbie will handle it
true.
smartly. Vicky will get into a fight and Vicky will be
Yeah.
like a bull.
हाँ.
And Robbie will handle Vicky. भाई तू जीत गया करके विकी को काम करेगा, रूमी को लेके जाएगा।
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Robbie would do something like that.
One thing that both of you can tell us about Rumi that no one knows.
नो वन में मैं भी आ रही हूँ।
That actually she's very sentimental and has a
Yeah.
heart of gold,
Rumi.
which you don't at face value you never realize. But she's very sensitive.
Okay.
I'll go with that.
Yeah.
भाई आप भाई नहीं हो, आप कॉम्पिटिटर हो, आप बताओ मुझे अच्छा लग सकता है।
Yeah, I was on the same lines and then he put it into words, but मेरा भी दिमाग उसी तरफ था।
तो कुछ आप सोचो ना, कुछ इन्वेंट
That's where it came from, ना, that I feel कि there's a Shahrukh fan inside and she's a DDLJ type because वो side वो दिखाना नहीं चाहती, but it is there. That tender
the
side is
sentimental
there.
and the tenderness is there. Okay. If you both had to plan an ideal date for Rumi on her birthday, what would you two do?
मैं तो खेतों में ले जाऊँगा।
Main matter. There comes the main matter, हाँ।
And
He doesn't need to say and beyond that, Faridun. Use your imagination.
I am totally thinking as Vicky संधू खेतों में लेके जाएगा, 2 गन्ने के जूस होंगे।
मैं कहाँ फंस गया है यार इन दोनों के बीच?
what about Robbie?
You know, the name of this movie, they've put the wrong hashtag of Man Marziya, wake up to Man Marziya. Hashtag should be no filter. None of these three have any filters.
You have the dialogue as well.
कुछ भी बोल देंगे.
You have a dialogue in the promo as well that is there.
Ideal date, ideal.
You guys make me sick.
That is the dialogue as well. But still, what your idea?
If I know Rumi, then I'd do something that she wants to do because I know she'd hate to do what I want to do.
Jay.
So it will start with the evening jog, then come back, go on to the chat, have a few drinks, have a few drinks with paneer pakoda, and then come down to the bedroom, put the lights off and put on Nat Geo because that's what she likes to do. That would be an ideal evening for Rumi.
My God. That's quite a. Okay, so who do you think is better for you, Rumi? Robbie or Vicky?
वो पिक्चर देखनी है कि
Picture
नहीं
देखना है।
उसके लिए मैं अभी बता दूँ।
But after these answers, we are just sticking to the answers.
No, because they're answering as Robbie and Vicky. So if I answer
But
at this
nothing was
as Rumi,
scripted. Nothing was scripted.
I know,
So
but
this
they're
is,
talking according to the script.
No,
No, not
I will
according to
censor this.
Character.
I'll act as Pehla ji.
ये क्या सेंसर किया आपने?
आप आंसर नहीं दे सकते सवाल का।
इस
हाँ
सवाल
वही
का
तो
जवाब नहीं दे।
पिक्चर आज पता चल जाएगी आपको नहीं तो।
Okay, all right. So Anurag Kashyap, आपको क्या लगता है कि that who amongst these three deserves this Bluetooth speaker?
3 मेरे से तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछा था।
Among these three,
None of them, he's keeping the speaker. I told you, he collects Bluetooth speakers.
नहीं, that you can take it later. हमारे फोटो आपके लिए आप प्लीज किसी को
कोई लेना देना नहीं है भाई, तुम पीछे क्या करते हो? हमें ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर कमली को देंगे।
कमली को all right,
कमली को देंगे।
Thank you.
वो देख रहे कौन कम
फोटो करा लो भाई।
ये सारे हैम्पर शैम्पर सारे प्रमोशन के यही जीतते जा रहा है।
अरे ये जीत चुका है तो।
ले लो वापस देख।
No, I've won it.
any victory speech for
This speech, I'm really grateful to Anurag sir for giving me this speaker after so many opportunities in real life, and I'm very happy. And yeah, thank you so much.
But what about Rumi? इसके आंसर दे दे कि तूने मतलब जीता है ये।
हाँ तो आंसर तो मैंने दिया ना।
हाँ तो बट रूमी क्वेश्चन
तुमने
में तो
तो
थी
नया
ना।
नया बॉस का स्पीकर लगवाया ना।
हाँ तो फिर थैंक यू तो करेगा
Number
ना।
दिया.
थैंक यू कर लुल।
थैंक्स।